Hi, and welcome back. I'm Frank Jimenez with the Builderall team. In this video, you will learn how to set up a simple reverse squeeze page funnel inside Cheetah. Let's take a look at the reverse squeeze page funnel blueprint. So this is a little different than your squeeze page funnel, where instead you offer value first, and then you go to another page where you capture their name and email. Let's go take a look. Okay, so here we are at your reverse squeeze page. Now as you can see, there's a video all set to play. Now this video has to deliver on value. It's super important. In addition, in this video, you have to make your site visitors want more. And in order to do that, there's a call to action right here, where after they've watched your video, they're going to feel comfortable giving you their name and their email address in a pop-up, and I'll show you how that works. Okay, now let's go take a look at how we did this. Now again, you can start from scratch. You can create your own reverse squeeze page, but if you're stuck and you want some ideas, simply go to Add, go to Panels, and then go look for your specific page. For this example, it's your squeeze page. When you click on that, you have two options. You can select your option, it'll drag it into a panel, and then you can go in and make the necessary adjustments. So for this example, it looks like we're all set. All you have to do is go in here, right click. If this is a YouTube video, all you have to do is go to General Settings, go in here and enter your YouTube link. Or you can go in here, remove this, select Add, go to Panels, and let's go down to, let's see here, oops, I'm going to go to Elements, and then you go down to Video, and then select the proper video host and drag it in here. Now again, here is your call to action. So to set this up, you're going to want to right click on this button and you're going to have this set link. But before we do that, we have to go back into Cheetah, okay, and then go over to the left here and then select pop-ups. Now here I have already created a pop-up, which is my email form. If you want to create a new one, you just simply click on Create New Pop-up. It'll create a page just like this. So we're going to go in here and edit just so that you can see how we did this. Then simply go to Add. You're going to come to a blank page here. Okay. Go to Panels. And then a good pop-up is typically a call to action. So just go ahead and select one of these. As you can see, I selected this one here and then made some adjustments. Now here, because it's a mailing boss form, you're going to want to right click, go in here and make sure that you set the proper list. So these are again pre-made list inside Mailing Boss that you have to choose from. If you do not have a pre-made list yet, go ahead and click here, Create New List, or go into the Mailing Boss application and create a new list. We're going to go ahead and select Email Marketing, select Save. Next, what we want to do is we want to go set the link. So once they've submitted, there's going to be a pending period. One is subscription pending. So while the subscription is pending, where do you want to send them? So for this example, we're going to go in here and select Thank You. Subscription confirm. We're going to go in here. Same thing. I'm going to pick the page and then Thank You. And I'm not too concerned about the unsubscribe confirm. So we're going to go ahead and select Save. Go up here, select Save as well. So now let's go in here and go to the Thank You page. We're going to go ahead and save and exit. Now the thank you page is again going to be thanking them for subscribing. Now, here's your thank you page. So here you're going to go in, thank them for subscribing if you want to do so in a video. That's a really great way to do it. In addition to that, you want to maybe recap some of the value that you had in that very first video and let them know how to access more. And down below is your call to action. This is where it will take them to either an upsell, a downsell, a product, a new product, an e-learning course, or even your next funnel. And that is how you set up a reverse squeeze page funnel. I hope you found the information provided in this video helpful. Until next time, I'm Frank Jimenez with the Builderall team.